Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this occasion, I will present about article that I get on the internet. The title of the article is What Sugar Does to Your Brain. Before I begin presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfiyatu Mahmudah, and I am from Biology Education Study Program offering C 2019 University of Malang. Below sweet treats but too much sugar can lead to weight gain and obesity, type 2 diabetes, and dental decay. Eating candy, ice cream, cookies, cakes, and drinking sugary sodas is hard to resist. It is as if our brain is hardwired to want these foods. What effect does sugar have on our brain? A neuroscientist conducts research on how the influence of what we eat and other lifestyles on behavior and the brain. Our body runs on sugar glucose, to be precise. Glucose from the Greek word glucose, which means sweet. Glucose fuels the cells that make up our body, including brain cells or neurons. Why do we like sweet food? Sugary foods are an excellent source of energy. So, to maximize our survival as a species, we have an innate brain system that makes us like sweet foods since they are a great source of energy to fuel our bodies. What happens when we eat sweet food? When we eat sweet foods, the brain's reward system, called the mesolimbic dopamine system, gets activated. Dopamine is a brain chemical released by neurons and can signal that an event was positive. When the reward system fires, it reinforces behaviors, making it more likely for us to carry out these actions again. How is our brain when we eat sweet foods? The brain continuously remodels and rewires itself through a process called neuroplasticity. Repeated activation of the reward pathway by drugs or by eating lots of sugary foods causes the brain to adapt to frequent stimulation, leading to a sort of tolerance. In the case of sweet foods, this means we need to eat more to get some rewarding feeling, a classic feature of addiction. Food addiction is a controversial subject among scientists and clinicians. While it is true that you can become physically dependent on certain drugs, it is debate whether you can be addicted to food when you need it for basic survival. How do you resist the urge to continue eating sweet foods? To resist cravings, we need to inhibit our natural response to indulge in these sweet foods. A network of inhibitory neurons is critical for controlling behavior. Inhibitory neurons are like the brain's brakes and release the chemical GABA. Research in rats has shown that eating high-sugar diets can alter the inhibitory neurons. The sugar-fed rats were also less able to control behavior and make decisions. Importantly, this shows that what we eat can influence our ability to resist temptation and may underlie why diet changes are so difficult for people. A recent study asked people to rate how much they want to eat high-calorie snack foods when they were feeling hungry versus when they had recently eaten. The people who regularly ate a high-fat, high-sugar diet rate their cravings for snack foods higher even when they were not hungry. This suggests that regularly eating high-sugar foods can amplify cravings, creating a vicious circle of wanting more and more of these foods. Sugar can disrupt memory formation. Another brain area affected by high sugar is the hippocampus, a key memory center. This is so that rats eating high sugar diets were less able to remember whether they had previously seen objects in specific locations before. The sugar-induced changes in the hippocampus were both a reduction of newborn neurons, which are vital for encoding memories, and an increase in chemical linked to inflammation. How to protect your brain from sugar? The World Health Organization advises that we limit our intake of added sugars to 5% of our daily calorie intake, which is 25 grams or 6 teaspoons. Considering the average Canadian adult consumes 85 grams or 20 teaspoons of sugar per day, this is a big diet change for many. What happens after we limit the intake of added sugar? Importantly, the brain's neuroplasticity capabilities allow it to reset to an extent following cutting down on dietary sugar. And physical exercise can augment this process. Foods rich in omega-3 fats found in fish oil, nuts, and seeds are also neuroprotective and can boost brain chemicals needed to form new neurons. Even though it's not easy, but will make your brain better. Initially, it was very difficult, but over time it will become easy. Okay, that is all about my presentation. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.